Ever found yourself fumbling for cash at a hawker stall or desperately trying to split a bill with friends while your phone's battery is about to die? Yeah, me too. We've all been there. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and that's where digital wallets like GrabPay come in. But what exactly are the benefits? Is it just another app cluttering your phone, or is it a genuine game changer? Let's dive into the world of GrabPay and unpack the real advantages. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, it's about seamless transactions. Imagine paying for your ride home, your lunch delivery, or even your groceries with just a tap on your phone. No more digging for loose change or waiting for card machines to connect. It's instant, it's efficient, and it's undeniably convenient. But it goes beyond just simple payments. GrabPay is deeply integrated into the Grab ecosystem, meaning you get access to a whole host of rewards and promotions. Think cashback, discounts, and exclusive deals on everything from rides and food to shopping and travel. This means you're not just spending, you're potentially saving money with every transaction. Who doesn't love a good deal? Another key benefit is the enhanced security. Carrying large amounts of cash can be risky, and traditional wallets can be easily lost or stolen. GrabPay, on the other hand, uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your financial information. Plus, you can easily track your transactions and even freeze your account if you suspect any unauthorized activity. It's peace of mind in your pocket. Let's talk about versatility. GrabPay isn't just for Grab services. You can use it at a growing number of merchants, both online and offline. From your favorite coffee shop to your local supermarket, more and more businesses are accepting GrabPay as a payment option. This broadens your payment options and makes it a truly versatile digital wallet. And for those who love to keep track of their spending, GrabPay offers detailed transaction history. You can easily see where your money is going, analyze your spending habits, and even set budgets. This level of financial transparency can be incredibly helpful for managing your finances and making informed spending decisions. Furthermore, GrabPay simplifies peer-to-peer transfers. Splitting bills with friends or sending money to family members is a breeze. Just a few taps, and the money is transferred instantly. No more awkward IOU notes or waiting for bank transfers to clear. This makes it perfect for group outings, shared expenses, and quick money transfers. In many regions, GrabPay also offers access to financial services like microloans and insurance. This opens up opportunities for those who might not have access to traditional banking services. It's about financial inclusion and empowering individuals to manage their finances effectively. Beyond the practical benefits, GrabPay is also about embracing the future of payments. As we move towards a more cashless society, digital wallets are becoming increasingly essential. By using GrabPay, you're staying ahead of the curve and adapting to the evolving landscape of digital finance. So, to recap, GrabPay offers seamless transactions, rewards and promotions, enhanced security, versatility, detailed transaction history, easy peer-to-peer transfers, access to financial services, and a step towards the future of payments. It's not just an app, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.